So I feel like ETH bottom could be in. I'm going to tell you why. I have two indicators right here. I have a clean chart and I'm going to show you my TA basically. So this indicator that I have here on below is the Z-score mean reversion. Now hedge funds and big institutions use this, like Citadel. Basically, this is a mean reversion model on ranges, and basically you are given a signal red dot or a green dot if the AI thinks or the indicator thinks that you are on oversold territory and it's time to reverse. That's when hedge funds or institutions step in and they reverse the price action. So right now I have the RSI also above here, and the reason why I think the bottom of ETH might be in is because on the RSI weekly, basically there's two touch points already on the oversold territory. Now this territory is very, very key, because the last time this happened, ETH had a massive bounce. So last time it happened was on April 7th. That week, 2025, it had a massive move to the upside. So from $1,300, it went up all the way to 5K, including the last cycle, which was 2022 bottom. Now we did chop for so long, but basically if you bought at these levels sub 1k, you had like a 3x on ETH. Now this is happening again. We are on the oversold territory on the RSI, plus the Z-score mean reversion is also visiting the lower band of the range. So if you can see here, all this indicator built by AI was it called the bottom in 2022. It also called the bottom on 2025. It gave a green dot signal. Now I am waiting for the Z-score mean reversion to print a green dot, and I am going to long Ethereum. Now also kind of scared that we might drop one more time before going up. But if you can see here, ETH likes to leave kind of an equal lows, but this low was actually taken here. It was cleaned. Wait, maybe this one. So yeah, this is some kind of an equal low, I would say, on the weekly. So if you can see here, you have a low here, and then ETH just tapped it and went vertical. Also here, so ETH did try to tap it, but you got front run. A lot of institutions probably are front running this, big players. That's why some of the orders never got filled down here. So yeah, and then it just reverses to the upside. So yeah, now right now we do have some kind of an equal lows right here. Not equal, so we kind of tap all of it twice, but it doesn't look a very good low, to be honest. It does look an ugly low, but even remember here, this low, I mean, like, come on. Who would have thought that this was the bottom, right? So when everyone thinks it's not the bottom, they feel like it's gonna go one down one more time. That's when that could be it, and we might bottom. So now all I am waiting for is the green dot right here. But you could DCA already, but if you were long from 1.5, congrats. Once this indicator prints a green dot on the weekly, I am going to start DCAing and longing ETH. So if you want to know what indicator this is, just go ahead and search Z-score mean reversion. This one, I made this with AI. So this model is based on big institutions, and a lot of them use this on ranges. So that's why I mostly use this on weekly for altcoins, because I want to buy it heavily on spot. So yeah, I mean, if we could get this right here, maybe even go lower, that would be really nice, and then ride it all the way up to the next cycle. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and follow. Let me know what you think. Do you think ETH bottom is in, or it might not be? So yeah.